Right now, Hostinger is offering an aggressive deal for 2026. If you use the right link, it applies their biggest current discount, adds an extra 20. The 20% discount applies to all three of their main tiers: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. To make sure you buy the correct infrastructure, we need to map those three plans to their exact ideal use cases. Using the coupon code is the easy part. The real challenge is accurately forecasting where your project will be 4 years from now and buying the server size that matches that trajectory. We will start by setting our baseline with the Premium plan. This is the absolute lowest barrier to entry. At this tier, you get the essentials to launch. That includes a free domain for the first year, free email, standard Lightspeed caching, and their built-in AI website builder. But looking at this comparison matrix, we must pay attention to what the Premium plan intentionally leaves out to keep the price down. There are two specific gaps here. Premium only includes weekly backups and does not include a content delivery network, or CDN. If you are running an online store, a weekly backup schedule is too fragile. If a server issue happens on a Friday, you could lose 5 days of customer transactions and inventory updates. That brings us to the Business plan. This is the necessary step up if you need operational security. Hostinger upgrades you to daily backups and throws in a free CDN. A CDN takes your website's data and caches it on global servers. This means if you are hosting in New York, a visitor in London still gets a fast loading time. The trade-off for that speed and security is financial. When you multiply the Business plan rate across a 48-month term, it requires a noticeably higher upfront cost at checkout. If you are building a local photography portfolio or a hobby blog, paying extra for international CDNs and daily backups is a waste of capital. You should view the Business upgrade strictly as an insurance policy. It is built for sites where an hour of downtime or a lost day of data directly equals lost revenue.
For users who are actively scaling, we look at the highest tier applicable to the coupon code, the Cloud Startup plan. Checking the final Cloud Startup column on our matrix, the specs jump significantly. You get priority support, double the server resources, 100 websites, and a dedicated IP. A dedicated IP means your site isn't sharing an address with anyone else, which protects your email deliverability and server reputation. But this tier is only justifiable if you have an agency-level client roster or anticipate massive, sustained traffic. Beyond the server specs, you also need to consider the day-to-day reality of managing your site on this platform. Instead of relying on older control panels, Hostinger uses their own proprietary H-panel dashboard, which now features a deeply integrated AI assistant. Looking at this dashboard interface, you can see how the AI functions. You can prompt the chat window to build pages, migrate sites, and fix specific coding errors, all without needing advanced developer skills. The trade-off is that you are committing to Hostinger's specific closed ecosystem instead of learning an industry-standard legacy panel. To mitigate that commitment, every hosting plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Testing it out is risk-free. While Hostinger has VPS and Horizon options to handle massive server scale, your real test is making sure you are comfortable operating within their specific dashboard environment for the next 4 years. Maximizing the return on this coupon code hinges entirely on diagnosing your project before you reach the checkout screen. We can map out the final choice using this decision tree. The first question: is this a personal site or a starter blog? If yes, you fit the Bootstrapper profile. Your ideal choice is the Premium plan. This secures your free domain and email for the lowest possible cost, without over-provisioning server infrastructure you don't need yet. If no, ask yourself, do you process transactions or need daily security? If yes, you are an operational SMB and you need the Business plan. For e-commerce, daily backups and CDN loading speeds are non-negotiable requirements, not optional upgrades. Finally, if you are hosting multiple client sites or pushing massive traffic volume, you follow the scalar path down to the Cloud Startup tier. Once you know your plan, you have to execute the checkout mechanics correctly to actually get the discount. The heavily reduced price you see on the initial landing page is not the final lowest number. You have to select your plan and proceed all the way to the cart. Once you verify the term is set to 48 months, the automated link triggers the final 20% discount and attaches your free bonus months. Anyone can apply a promo code, but matching the exact 4-year plan to your project phase is the only way to turn a standard marketing discount into genuine operational efficiency.